Hey, welcome to 12025 Red Cloud Way in Conifer, Colorado. It's your mountain home team, and Rachel and Jodi, and so we are here at this new listing. It's going to be live this week. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, over 3,000 square feet, brand new everything. And one of the most fantastic things, as you can see behind us, are the windows, and it lets in a ton of light. You got a great view. Nice open room. You're not going to believe it when you see it. And so we'd love
in the
for
kitchen.
Well, in the kitchen. Who doesn't love a kitchen? And the bathrooms.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. It's a super cute house, you guys.
So we'd love for you to come see. We're going to have an open house this Saturday, 10 to 1. And
Kelly and I are going to be doing the open house, which is really super fun. Kelly's much more fun than Jodi when we do open houses.
well, and it's true, because you never know what he's going to say. So, and actually right now we're looking out, we can still see our photographer outside. And so we just kind of swapped places and we're inside doing our video.
Yeah, so we've got this photographer outside and we wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about when you list a home for sale, what your realtor should be doing for you. I see a lot of times people take cell phone photos of their house, and the problem with that is that you don't get as many people in through the front door. The key for professional or for having photos taken of your house is you want to get people through your front door. I would much rather see a house that's not so super cute with amazing photos and more people coming through than a fantastic house with cheap cell phone photos. It doesn't cost that much for your realtor to actually pay a professional photographer to take photos, and you should be working with a realtor who is willing to spend some money to help you make more money.
Yeah, and whether it's the inside stills, exterior photos, of course, that's a must. We're doing a lot of drone aerial photography for our mountain properties.
For sure. So you can see the views and see what the house looks like situated on the lot, and it really helps give people a good idea of what they're buying and where they're buying.
Yeah. And also we have such unique properties up here. Sometimes we're doing some video walkthroughs, and you're gonna see the photos of this house. It's not going to need much more because they're going to be so dynamic because of the finish work my sellers put into this property to make it super fantastic. So, love to see Rachel and Kelly this weekend. So, have a great week.
Take care, everybody.